I need to remove the old lock. So here's going to be the middle of my new hole, somewhere around here. I have the hole in the right place. Put on the hole drill. So now I'm going to have to chisel it out. So this can fit. Core it first. Inside line. Here's the finished door. I'm done installing the hardware. Put in a new door seal, and of course it was painted as well. I probably will need another coat just for the door itself because that used to be gray and it didn't cover so well. Hello, my next project is going to be these stairs. Initially I thought maybe I'm going to overlay the existing stair threads, but the problem with the threads is that some is cracked to a point that they would have to be fixed before I can even do anything with them. As I'm loosening it up on the front, I'm also going to loosen it up on the back because the riser is nailed to the thread. that's good. And put another one here. So it's gonna be kind of hidden. It's hard to do this with the hammer. Okay, perfect. Top as possible, so it's going to be kind of hidden. It's still good. Yep. Oops. That's what I want to do. Good, so the stringer definitely I'm gonna glue it to the riser here and then old riser here just to give it a extra strength. Lots of glue. Here, the new riser all the way across. Of course, the stringer here. Plenty of glue. And also, I'm gonna put a bit of glue on the new riser where it meets. And then I have to go down to the basement. Or no, I don't have to go down to the basement. I'm going to screw it from the back to each other. So, because this actually is not perfectly straight, so I'm going to have to screw them together so they kind of meet nicely. So I think we're good. Glue everywhere, right? Crack. I don't know why, but it's not gonna hurt. Get some extra glue pushed in there. Okay, here we go. I already dry fitted, so it does fit. Yeah. So. It moved. So what I need to do is I'm going to put a couple of nails just to keep it in a place, and then I can screw from behind easily, I think. Man, that's pretty tight behind the glue. So that looks good. It's two enough? I think so. This is where I left off today. That's all I had time for. So I did 3 risers and 1 thread. I have enough glue? Yes. I am finished for today. I built 2 steps. So far I have 7 steps. I have 3 more steps to build. Welcome to day 5 of this project. I still have 2 more steps to do. Drywall up the side. If you recall, I used to have skirting here on the old stairs, but the skirting was going over the stairs and the drywall was put in when the skirting was still up, so behind the old skirting there's no drywall. Is that correct? Is that good? Don't know. Recall this mess? I've been working on this for months and it's been a while since last time I even touched it, so today I'm gonna be taping the joints.